I want you to manifest now. I'm tired of you not having results. I'm tired of you telling me that you cannot manifest because I know that's not possible, because I know for a fact that it's instant. And that's what we're going to be talking about today. And I need you to make this change. I need you to make it instantly. So you were told by every single person on internet that it takes 30 days to make a change, 30 days to get a new habit, 30 days to get a new belief, 30 days to get whatever. Did you know that it's a lie? Did you know that they don't know what they're talking about? Because it's a total myth. And you can look it up. I've known this for decades. I'm still in shock that people don't understand and they're falling for it. First and foremost, the myth happened this way. In the late 60s, there was a journalist who was talking to someone who used to make breast surgeries. And they asked them, how long does it take before a woman feels like she has her breasts back and they feel her own and blah, 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 blah. And that person answered, uh, they answered the 30 days. And the same journalist and the newspaper started saying, as they do, because very often they're brainless, that to make a change, to see a change, takes always 30 days or 21 days, some people say. Both are bullshit. And it's not true. It's made up. It's not based on reality. And they just started repeating this myth until every single person on the planet believes that it takes 30 days to change my habit or change my thinking and start believing that I'm pretty because now I believe that I'm ugly. None of that is true. And yes, there may be studies which say it can take up to 2 years. It can be done faster. It could be whatever, however long it may take. But everyone is forgetting this one thing. They're forgetting that a decision you can make can be instant. You can make that change instantly. That only now exists. That there are quantum leaps. The amount of clients who were given some sort of idea or instruction from me and made instant change, quantum leap on the spot, and manifested in hours or a couple days later. So many. Making change doesn't have to take time. It's your decision. There's something called the Parkinson's law, and it says whatever you want to do will take as much time as you want to give it. So if you decide that you're going to make that change now and start a different belief now, or start manifesting now, or get instant manifestation now, that has to be given to you by universe. That has to be reflected by universe back to you. So stop thinking, and now I have to do work, and now I have to do affirmations for 30 days at least, and now I have to do this. Why? Why? When you're programming yourself for failure. Why are you doing that? You can get everything literally now. Start thinking that everything in your life is instant and everything happens in seconds, and you will start manifesting it just like I do, because I believe in it. Sometimes I get manifestations before I finish the sentence that I want them. It's that fast. I didn't even started counting and I already got it. But I believe that everything's instant. So do you now? Because otherwise, what are you doing? That's why everything takes you so long, because you do not believe that everything's instant. And you believe in 30 days. I need to do something for 30 days before maybe I get a result. Seriously? Wow, you're fucking patient. I'm not. I want everything now. That's how it works, people. Do you understand? So make those changes. And if you're still struggling, you need more support. Manifesting HQ description there's a link in the description of the video. You click on that, you join. Last person who joined manifested 25K in 3 days. It's instant, people, and I'm teaching you there how to do it. You get access to me. And if you want freebie about manifesting in 1 second, download it in the video's description. And I'll see you in the next video. Ciao for now.